Hey guys, welcome to another video. I'm Ben. In this video I'm going to be replacing the RAM in this Dell Inspiron 1545 with the maximum memory that this computer can support, which in this case happens to only be 8 gigabytes. That's right, DDR2 has limits and I'm going to hit them, so enjoy. Okay, let's get to it. First thing we're going to want to do is take this computer and flip it over. On the back of the computer you'll see a panel with a strange shape. We're going to take this panel off by removing the screws in all of the corners. Okay, I had a lot more trouble removing those screws than I should have. Let's move on. The next thing we're going to want to do is take this panel off. You can just pull it up. There's a little groove on the right side. If you put your finger in there and pull up, then the panel will just come off. Place that to the side for now. Okay, let's get a closer view of what's on the inside. Okay, so the inside of the computer is going to look like this. The RAM sticks are located right here on the side. You can see that there's 2 of them. Now, I'm going to remove them by grabbing the prongs on the sides and just pulling them apart from each other. The sticks will pop up and you can just take them out. Put these in a safe place. Okay, now that I've removed the old RAM sticks, I'm going to go ahead and open up the new ones. Okay, now I got this package from Amazon. It was incredibly overpriced and I highly suggest you don't purchase DDR2 RAM in 2019. And there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and take both of these sticks out. And there they are, beautiful. Okay, I was pretty rough with the sticks there. You don't want to be that rough. Here's a closer look at the RAM module. The one that I purchased is 4 gigabytes. It's very hard to read the text on this camera because it is an iPhone and it's the front camera. Besides that, these modules look pretty good. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the computer and put the RAM right in the spot that we took out the previous sticks. Here's the first stick. What you're going to do is place the RAM stick in at an angle like that and then just press it down gently. And that's it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the second stick in right behind it. Just going to put it in at an angle, resting on top of the other gold pins, and then push down. That's about it. Okay, so now we're just going to put the cover back on and then turn it on and hope it works. Okay guys, we've reassembled the computer. Let's go ahead and turn it on and see if it still works. It seems to be taking an abnormally long time to start up. It is still starting up, it's just starting up very slowly. The progress bar is still moving. The progress bar is moving up about 1 pixel every couple seconds. Okay guys, I'm back. It's been about a minute. It is still progressing, it's very slow. Okay, so it finished loading and we got a message on the screen. The amount of system memory has changed. We're going to strike the F1 key to continue. Windows just asked me if I wanted to restore my previous data or delete previous restoration data and continue with the system boot. I deleted the previous restoration data and I continued with the system boot. Here I am. Okay, let's see if this changed the Windows Experience score. My previous scores can be seen in another video where I replaced the CPU in this machine. You can see right now I have 8 gigabytes of installed memory. I'm going to go ahead and run a new assessment. Right now it says I have a 6.6, a 6.6, a 4.0, a 3.4, and a 7.8. Okay, we're back. So our scores are 6.6, 6.6, 4.0, 3.4, and 7.8. What? Our score did not change. Although we upgraded the system from 4 gigs to 8 gigs of RAM, our Windows Experience score did not change, although our 8 gigs of RAM are evident here. So that's it for this video, guys. I know it wasn't the greatest ending there, but you know, we still improved the computer. It was still fun. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys next time.